Take me to the beach. Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Let's learn Take Me to the Beach. Are you ready? Do you want to go to the beach? 32 counts, 2 walls, 2 restarts, wall 2 and 6 after 16 counts, and 1 tag on wall 8. Here we go. Here's a preview of the steps. Starts with a side rock, recover, sailor, quarter turn, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, cross, turn, shuffle to the right, left, swivel, out, out, clap, clap, cross, back, back, cross, back, back, push, and roll, quarter turn, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, ball behind, unwind, unwind, and bounce. Isn't that fun? Take me to the beach. I'm ready. Here we go. First 8. Weights on left. We're going to rock to the right and turn our body to face the 9 o'clock, and our hand's going to move across our chest to face it. So it looks like this. 1. You don't have to lift your heel up, but my heel comes up anyway. So it's 1, recover 2, sailor, quarter over your right shoulder, sailor, quarter, step, then 2 lock steps on the diagonal, syncopated. So step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step. Fun. Okay. One more time and then with counts with words. First 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we rock. Recover and sailor, quarter turn, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step. And when you step forward directly to the 3 o'clock wall with your left foot. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All your weights on left. Good. Second 8. We do a cross with the right, a turn over our left, a turn over our right shoulder, stepping back. So cross right, step back left, back, and a chasse or a shuffle to the right. Shuffle, step. So we just finished our step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step. Cross, turn, shuffle to the right. Left foot's free. You do a forward with the left, swivel, both heels, lift up, swivel, swivel. And an out, out, clap, clap, going back with the left, left, right, right, left. So one more time. We just finished our step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step. Cross, step, back, shuffle to the right, left, swivel, left, right, right, left. Good. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So the hand clap is up and down like that. And the key is when you do the claps, make sure your weight ends on your left foot so it's not evenly distributed, because you're going to need to pick up your right foot for the third 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Weight on left. Good. Moving on. Third 8. Cross, back, back, cross, back, back. So it's cross right, angle, diagonal to the left, back, back. Same thing, mirror on the other side. Cross left, back, back. So we made 2 little diagonals. Cross, back, back, cross, back, back. Then we push forward. We go to center now. Push forward on your right and push your hips into it. Push, step, and pivot, quarter step. And for styling, we like to throw our hips into that part. So it's cross, back, back, cross, back, back. Hips, 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 hips for styling. Third set of 8. Cross, back, back, cross, back, back, forward, push, recover, and quarter, recover. Counts 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth 8. Cross, we're facing the 3 o'clock wall, so we cross right, step left, right sailor step, then we do cross left, right, touch behind, left. It's a little hop, makes it easier. Then we bounce a half and bounce a quarter, ending in the front after you do a 3/4 unwind turn with 2 bounces, facing your new wall, your 6 o'clock wall, and all your weight's on your left, ready to start again. So the last 8, looks like the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Easier, faster. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1. From the top with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we rock, recover, and we sailor step. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step. Cross, back, shuffle to the right. Step, swivel, left, right, right, left. Cross, back, back, cross, back, back, push, and a quarter, turn and a cross, side, sailor step, cross, ball behind, and bounce and bounce. And you're ready to start again. The styling on the first part is to push your hand across your body at chest level. So it looks like this. Push. Like you're pushing to the beach. Okay. Here we go. 5, 6 with count. 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Yes. So the 2 parts are the restarts on 2 and 6. So let's, after 16 counts, let's do 16 counts, and then the tag. So the restart will look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Then you restart after the claps. Clap, clap, and push. So both times you start the 16 counts facing 6 o'clock wall, but the restart happens on the 12 o'clock wall. The tag is at the end of 8th wall, and it's after the whole 32 counts. And the tag looks like this. We make a V and heel switches. They're syncopated, but the steps are out, out, in, heel, and heel, and you're ready to start again. And it's fast, so it's 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. One more time. The tag. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Take me to the beach. Wave your arm like a wave at the end. That's it. Take me to the beach. Let's go. Get your hat, your sunglasses, your sunblock. Let's go.